Welcome to the channel, guys. Today we're going to show you how to remove a windshield the cheap way using just Harbor Freight tools. So if you've ever wondered how to pull a windshield because you had a crack or it's just old, it's got a lot of stone chips in it, it's not as hard as you think. It's actually something you can do at home with your own tools. And then we'll show you how to install the windshield. Let's review some of the tools. So all of this can be bought at Harbor Freight. I'll put some links in below. And this entire kit costs, I think, maybe $40. So we've got 2 suction cup handles. We've got the more traditional windshield removal tool. This actually uses a sawing method, which I'll show. And then the handheld gripper. This helps just cut the adhesive underneath the windshield. So the way windshields are held in is simply with glue, honestly. There's really not much here. Around the edge of the windshield, you'll see there's a frame, and this one doesn't really have a big piece of trim. So this is a Porsche 911. This is actually a newer 911, which was in an accident, so it's got the windshield broken. But some cars, they'll have a piece of trim here you gotta remove, but some of the modern ones come with a seal on the side, which is what this has. And so all you do is really slide your tool in here, and underneath, I'll show you from the inside, since we've already removed the trim panels, there's just adhesive. So right between the windshield and the body, focus, is adhesive. So there's a little line of glue under here. You can kind of see it up here. So what we're going to be doing today is we're going to be cutting that out. And once it's cut out, you literally just lift the windshield off. So before you remove the windshield, you want to remove all the hardware that's kind of up in the front. Each car is a little bit different, so I'll leave that for a different video. But this one did have cameras for lane assist and active lane keeping and whatnot, which are right here. These just stuck onto the back of the windshield. A lot of times glass will come with this stuff, so it's not always vital if you're gonna put in the same piece of glass or an OEM glass that you remove it, but this was easy enough to take off. It's all really just glued on. You can kind of see some of the extra glue there from where it was. So now the glass is bare, and we're gonna go ahead and pull it out. So because this windshield is so broken, it's easier to use the cable cutting method. Now, this comes from Harbor Freight, and it comes with a spool of cable here. So all you need to do is snip the cable, and then, I'll show you here, you push the ends down, stick it through, and then you put it at an angle, like this, push it through, then push it up. Now you have your tool that you can actually saw the windshield out, but first, before you do that, you gotta push the cable through the windshield. So to do that, take your tool, and you're gonna actually insert it underneath the rubber. So you wanna stick it underneath, work your way in. You can see under here that we've actually got the tool now inside the vehicle. So what we can do is take the end of your metal cable, stick it on the end of this guy. There's a little clip here. Bunch it around, and stick it through underneath the windshield. Now you can see the cable's on the other side. So you can pull this out. We've left the cable in there. Now we're going to attach the other handle on the inside. All right, now got the handle set up so we can saw the glue away. So now we're going to go ahead and we're going to remove all the adhesive around the outside. So because the passenger side was so broken, decided to start on the driver's side, which is a little bit easier. As you can see, really all we're doing is just slowly sawing back and forth. And it's gradually just cutting the adhesive away. Now, if your windshield's not broken, this is a lot easier. But if it's broken like this one, you gotta be real careful when you get to the cracks. Once you remove the windshield, then you're gonna have a layer of this adhesive left. This is the bonding glue they use that you have to scrape off. So we're gonna do that when we're ready to put in the new windshields, not quite yet, but if you were going to put in a new windshield, you wanna remove all this and make sure you touch up any of the chips in the paint. So you can see there's a few here that we scraped when we were pulling it out, and you wanna make sure you get all this touched up and then you put a primer on. So here's another one or two. So it's really important that these get touched up, especially on older cars that are steel, because it'll start to rust and you'll get rust and corrosion underneath the windshield, which is really bad. But other than that, we cleaned it up with the vacuum, windshield's out. All right guys, that's it for pulling the windshield. This was a little harder to do because it was broken. Usually they're a bit easier, and you can just use that cable method to extract the windshield pretty easily without breaking it. So if you like this info, drop a comment below, and of course, if you want to see more, click that subscribe button and turn on those notifications because we've got a lot of good content coming up.